We would like to present to you a series of educational videos on working with Kaspersky Anti Targeted Attack platform and Kaspersky Endpoint Detection and Response Expert. This video will demonstrate how to configure central node and sensor module to process spam traffic. Central node can be used to process traffic at a rate of up to 1 GB per second. Configure one of the network interface to receive traffic. Activate the network interface. To verify spam traffic coverage, use the test web server to attempt to download a test sample. Web traffic of the current user ends up in the relevant network for spam. A burst of activity is seen on the dashboard graph. Use a security officer account to complete authorization in the web interface. Go to the Alerts section to make sure that the file received in spam traffic was analyzed. The web interface shows two detections. They pertain to the extraction and analysis of downloaded files, while one of them pertains to a network traffic scanned by IDS technology. Connect the sensor component to central node. Complete authorization for the sensor via SSH to configure spam traffic in the pseudo-graphical interface. Send a connection request to central node. Accept the connection request. Enable spam traffic coverage of the relevant network interface of the sensor. It is recommended to leave all the default settings unchanged. The dashboard graph shows the receipt of the traffic by the sensor component. Use a security officer account to complete authorization in the web interface and attempt to download the test file again to verify central node and sensor integration. The interface shows new detection received from the sensor. Central node and sensor integration for span traffic analysis is now complete.